Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera scan QR code on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, click on camera app if you want to fix this problem. So force stop camera app. After force stop camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and cache and clear cache camera app. After click on clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on camera app and click on this settings icon, and you will see QR code is here. Turn on or turn off QR code 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, last solution is software update. Go to app library, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera scan QR code on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.